Welcome to this incredible home that was completely rebuilt in 2019. This ranch on a basement sits on a fabulous 2-acre property with so many amazing features. To start with, there's an attached garage with heated floor and an additional 2-car oversized garage with a wood burner. Approaching the front porch, you'll enter through the front door, which invites you into the immaculate home. Enjoy the primary suite right off of the entry, boasting an ensuite bath with a beautiful stand-up tile shower and a spacious walk-in closet. As you go down the hall, you're greeted by a vaulted ceiling and windows from every angle that open up the space and fill it with natural sunlight. In the kitchen, beautiful custom cabinets, including an island with breakfast bar seating and stainless steel appliances, are sure to impress the chef of your family. As you go to the downstairs, you'll find 2 great-sized bedrooms with closets for storage, a full bathroom, another living space with a projector, built-in counter space for a bar and snacks, along with a built-in desk area. Here you can host movie nights, family parties, or spend time relaxing with a book and a cocktail of your choice. As winter melts into spring, look forward to enjoying the massive deck out back with a beautiful view overlooking the countryside. This home is one of a kind and waiting just for you. Schedule your tour with Wendy France today.